here at MarineMax of Dallas. And we just brought in a brand new 2020 Aviara AV32 into the showroom. So new product for us here at MarineMax, and it's a very, very cool boat. So huge swim platform slung pretty low to the water for easy access and easy getting on and off. Nice storage built into the back for easy access. And this we all thought was really cool. The flip up seats, of course all three do it, as well as three individual flip up bar stools. So when people are swimming around the back of the boat, if you want to hang out up here, you can. If you want to sit down there, you can. I mean, just a cool setup for the transom area of the boat. Walk-through transom makes it easy to get in and out of. Designated fender locker in the walk-through. Moving into the boat, see a nice isotherm refrigerator. Pull-out drawers. Really, really nice, super insulated built-in cooler that self-drains, as well as a sink on top with extra inserts for wine bottles or liquor bottles. Storage underneath all of your seats. Nice lift out cooler in that seat. Very sleek, modern helm. So all of your boat controls can be over here. All of your instrumentation, navigation will be here. Instruments on the side. Lenco automatic trim tab system, very similar to how Sea Ray does with their automatic tabs. Of course, dual binnacle controls, because this is a twin 430 horsepower boat with twin 430 horsepower Ilmor engines. And of course, joystick docking, as would be expected on a boat, this caliber. Nice deep head area. One of the things people have seemed to really like about this, I mean, you figure I'm 6'2", so plenty of headroom to get down in and use the head when you need to. And really deep bow seating. So if you're out on a lake and you've got kids with you and you're worried about their safety, super deep seating in the bow. I mean, you figure again, I'm 6'2", and it's shoulder height on me, so no problem at all with all the kids being out on the lake on a rough day with you, because the boat handles rough water absolutely like a champ. Hard top with the extending sheer shade on the back also. So very cool boat. If you're looking for something modern, something sleek, something that nobody else has, this is definitely probably the toy for you. So if you got any questions on this or any other boats we have, please pick up the phone and give us a call, or better yet, stop in the showroom and see it in person. We look forward to talking to you soon.